Shout out to KwaZulu Natal, KwaZulu Natal. Shout out to KwaZulu. Away. That like it, man. There's a plug, man. Told you, start playing. I'm gonna bring you hot content to inside the X4 right now. It's clean, bro. Look. Shout out to Ramon. Hey, man. We're gonna take this X4 around the city and check what's happening. Yeah, bro. This is clean, man. Oh, this guy doesn't want to. Oh, this is so beautiful summer, you hear me? Oh, when we come back, we can come back with this one, you know? Yeah, nice float. There's a 911 there. This thing wants the highway, bro. I'm telling you, bro. It's a diesel, this.
Diesel.
Oh, is it the 2-liter diesel?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice and economical, I know that.
Yeah. It's moving nicely.
Yeah, just leave it there. It's fine. Yeah. Now listen to IFM. Hey, you connected, bro. Yeah, let's buy. Yes. Yeah, this one doesn't have cheese, yeah. But they got like a dispensary somewhere by somewhere. Hey, that's the M5. Oh my god.
Somewhere here, ne?
Yeah.
Hey man, bakunikile ukudla abantu bakho lapha. Hey, baba Mdletshe. Dango, Baba Mdletshe. Dango. Let's go. Are we in here? Are we relaxing? Yeah, you know when you see a door opening, you must check.
You know the story. And big like that, maybe AK-47.
You see? Yeah. But we too powerful. You can't try nothing. Beautiful skies, partly cloudy. I like the gear change transition is so smooth actually.
Yeah, this
can barely feel it. Yeah, can barely feel the gear change.
A special BM this 3 years, 2 years. That was.
Yeah. I went to BMW to go do the advanced driving there. Tap the M3 and the M4 at Kyalami until the brakes got smoke.
Nice, no shit.
Testing the build quality, bro. You're testing the build quality. Other cars, if you do that, it's gonna say.
Yeah.
Nice knee pads there. And I see you drive smooth, you don't drive fast, no?
Sport car on this one.
That's the key. Oh, it's still drizzling. I said the rain is still drizzling.
Yeah. That sun is out.
Hey man, shout out to KZN. This car just got washed, y'all. He says he's gonna rinse it with the rain. Look. Shout out to KZN, y'all.
The look.
How did you say?
The look also this car.
Oh, he's also looking.
Yeah,
Hey, they're washing his car, man. Hey, yo. I ain't gonna lie, this taxi driver's gonna want a 10 right, bro. They normally do that.
Yeah.
Yep, he is. Oh my word.
I guess so.
It's like I could read this man's mind, dude. Look.
I guess I just stupid.
Hey, watch out, my guess, boss. Yeah, they got mad traffic here, bro. Oh my, he's gonna go drive on the side. Look. He's about to go hit the pavement now. Yeah. Luckily it's moving. He's like, okay, fine. So by can.
Yeah. This ninja's the one, eh?
He was washing it.
Oh, it's brand new. What? They got nylon on the seat.
Nylon
Yeah.
on the seat. Oh, it's brand new. Oh, the plastic, ne? Yeah.
But I can see the. Huh? But maybe it's new one. You don't know. Yeah, but
it has plastics, everything, everywhere.
Yeah, it's new one. Going on that mid leaf.
Ooh. Hey, that's a plug, huh? There's another. That's a 5 Series, ne? Yeah, another 5 Series. Like this older one here.
Old.
Hey, the biker has left the helmet rolling on the floor. Oof, there's a mad M4 there, cousin.
Yeah, you see that one?
Yeah.
It's beast. It's like Aston Martin, something like.
That's what we were driving there.
God, something.
Yeah, it's fast. I ain't gonna lie. It will feed. It will feed you the need for a Porsche 911. That's right. Uphakathi ufuna ukubaleka. Hey, I thought he's talking to us. KwaZulu madoda. Hey. Hey, bro.
That's how the food is gonna be.
Oh, yeah. Road construction. Watch this guy, bro. He roll back on you.
No.
He's a good driver, this one. You trust him. You auto corner H1 corner auto.
Yeah.
We are sorry, yo. Is there a robot here?
Robot is here.
Oh, okay.
Traffic is started already.
Hey, that's the SRT, boss. Stop playing. V8.
You wanna pass way? You wanna pass way?
Nah, let's just go there. Go back to diesel.
Huh?
Yeah, we're going
Or
back.
you don't want to pass the side?
This side, not today. We're gonna do it with another car. After 15:30.
Was bumped.
Yeah.
You or someone bumped you.
What happened?
Is it the bloody child?
Oh, it's even shorter from this side, nah?
Hmm?
The route I'm saying is even shorter from this side. Oh yeah, Raptor. You drove a Raptor before?
A white truck.
Yeah.
It's white truck.
Work truck. It's good though. It's fast. You think they will come and put their paws on you?
Who?
I see you closing the window.
Ah, aye.
Oh, is that no, that's not him. Oh, Lomdala, ne? So you call him Uzofilubala. Well, that's funny, bro. They were those taxi guys. They were cutting in. That's why.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
That one is sport.
Yeah, the X4M competition.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Yes.
I'm competitor.
Yeah. Yeah, my.
Ah, that Golf is too fucking nice. Sound.
And the
They press
exhaust.
they go to their button like this arrow.
Yeah.
When you press, it's going on the race.
Sheesh, it changes your sports mode, goes mad. It's like a kid now, makes his head go out like this. Oh man. For us to dodge this traffic, we can turn left, go right, and go straight and come around. Yeah, for the truck. But it seems like it's moving, I don't know.
No, it's that side.
Yeah, you see it's stuck. Yeah, that's why the taxi's gonna even do that. Yeah. This side you can at least fly a bit. See how this guy come flying like this too.
They're crazy. They believe our time is out.
They gotta go get that delivery in, chief. But I like them, the guys. They working good, man. They be moving fast. Yo, I'm gonna end this video right here, yo. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You know what it is, man. Let's go.